Hello everyone, welcome to our daily stock review. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you'll always know when new material is released. I'm Troglodidi from Simple Trade, and today I would like to discuss with you the stock BRBL. The stock increased its value by more than 100%. Let's understand why. BRBL is a pink current company concentrating on the beverage industry. BRBL Brewing offers its own lineup of craft ales and lagers, as well as contract and white label brewing services. The share structure of the company is absolutely amazing and can provide for a beautiful run. They also seem to soon have an operating website. Now to the reason for the rise. After more than 5 years without news from the company, they suddenly released some news. BRBL began their construction of craft brewery facility in California. The CEO stated that the revenue potential from the brewhouse is $3.5 million. That is more than 3 times the current company's market cap. These are huge news that in turn caused the Gap app and the increase in value. The company is only starting, and it will be interesting to keep an eye on it. That will be all for today, friends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, I invite you to join our Discord community of Simple Trade, where we share trade ideas and due diligence. I wish you all a prosperous trading week.